So hello guys, I'm back with another video, and this time it's Bstat 2007 MCQs question number 16 to 20. So let's start. The point xy on the line x plus y equals to 10 for which minimum of 4 minus x 5 minus y is the largest is. Okay. Now what we have to do here, we have to put the value of y, that is 10 minus x, in this expression 5 minus y, and we'll get two terms in x, okay, two polynomials of degree 1 of in x, and then we'll compare them by drawing their graphs, okay, and then we'll have the maximum or the minimum of this pair. Okay, so this is the question. So x plus y is 10, y is 10 minus x, so 5 minus y is 5 minus 10 minus x, that is x minus 5. So one graph is x minus 5 and the other graph is 4 minus x, and this is maximum. The minima of these two graphs is maximum at this point, where 4 minus x equals x minus 5 or x equals to 9 by 2. Okay, so this is the meeting point of both the graphs. Okay, now x equals to 9 by 2 is the meeting point. Okay, then you have to put this 9 by 2 value in here, x plus y equals to 10, to get the value of y, that is 11 by 2. So our answer would be A, 9 by 2 comma 11 by 2. Okay, next, the value of sine inverse cot of sine inverse half 1 minus root over 5 by 6 plus cos inverse 2 by 3 plus sec inverse root 8 by 3. Okay, let us see. Don't let us forget this expression, half into 1 minus root 5 by 6. See, we simplify this, cos inverse this plus sec inverse this. Okay, how we are simplifying this? See, cos inverse 2 by 3 plus sec inverse root 8 by 3 is cos inverse 2 by 3 plus cos inverse root 3 by 8, because sec inverse x is cos inverse 1 by x. Okay, and let that be alpha plus beta, means cos inverse root 2 by 3 is alpha, cos inverse root 3 by 8 is beta. Okay, so cos alpha is root 2 by 3, sin alpha will be root 1 by 3. Okay, then cos beta will be root 3 by 8, sin beta will be root 5 by 8. So cos alpha plus beta will be cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. So this you will get root 2 by 3 root 3 by 8 cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, and this expression you will get. Now see, half you will get alpha plus beta equal to cos inverse half of 1 minus root 5 by 6 equals to cos inverse x. Let see this expression, half of 1 minus root 5 by 6, and this expression half of 1 minus, both are same, so let that be x. And so sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, so sin inverse x plus cos inverse x will be pi by 2, so cot pi by 2 is 0, so sin inverse of 0 is 0. 17, our answer is A. Okay, we have done this. Okay, thank you. Now moving on, which of the following graphs represent the function fx equals to integral 0 to root x e power minus u square by x du for x greater than 0 and f of 0 equal to 0. See, f of 0 is 0, all the graphs here f of 0 is 0 0. Okay, now we'll differentiate f dash x with fx with respect to x, and we apply the Leibniz rule. Okay, so what is that? See, we differentiate, we put this e, replace in this is the expression. Okay, e power minus u square by x, replace u by root x. Okay, and differentiate root x. See, replace u by root x and differentiate root x, and then put 0 here in place of u square, e power minus 0 square by x, and differentiate day 0. So we have put e power minus 0 square by x, differentiate 0, and here we'll be subtracting this over these two expressions. Okay, so this will be 0, and the left expression is 1 by 2e root x, and for any x greater than 0 this is not 0. So f dash x is not 0, means there is no maxima, there is no minima. Okay, now f double dash x, concavity we have to see. So we'll differentiate it, and we'll see that this, for every x greater than 0, this is negative, so it is always concave downwards, and from the first condition it has no maxima or minima. So our correct answer would be C, it is concave downwards. B is concave upwards. D is with a maxima, so D won't be the answer. C is concave downwards. B is concave upwards. So C will be our answer. Okay, thank you. Then consider a triangle ABC with the sides ABC in AP. Then the largest possible value of the angle B is C. Let the sides be B minus X, B and B plus X. We have cos B. What is cos B? Cos B is A square plus C square minus B square by 2BC. Now replacing A by B minus X and C by B plus X, you get this term. And on simplifying, you'll get this. Now cos B is this. We differentiate cos B. On differentiating cos B, we'll get this expression. We'll get u by b differentiation b square. See, this is 2 square b square minus x square. Okay, v into du by dx minus u, it is b square plus 2x square into dv by dx. 2 into 2 into minus 2x, okay, and with a negative sign. So this on simplifying comes out to be 8xb squared minus 8x cubed plus 4xb square plus 8x cubed. Okay, then this 8x cubed and 8x cubed get cancelled out, and you have 12xb square by 4, that is 3xb square by b square minus x square equals to 0, only and only if x equals to 0. So we get that x is 0 and it is an equilateral triangle, and then so the value of angle B is 60 degrees. Our option is A is correct. See, if you double differentiate cos beta, then you will get a positive term, and cos beta is a decreasing function. So cos beta will be has the minima, so B will be a maxima at x equals to 0. So our answer is 60 degree verified. Okay. Next, if an equals to 1 plus 1 by n square, 1 plus 2 square by n square square, 1 plus n square 3 square by n square cubed up to this, then limit this is what? Okay. So let us see. See, this is in multiplication. We take the log to make these terms in multiplication into divisions. So we are taking the log an. Okay. Now log an is the term, the one term you will see, the general term is 1 plus r square by n square to the power r log r summation r varies from 1 to n, and log an power minus 1 by n square is minus 1 by n square log an, that is minus 1 by n square summation r equal to 1 to n log of 1 plus r square by n square power r. Okay, and that is 1 by n, and this minus 1 by n goes to the power or the index. See, 1 by n is left here and minus r by n is here, and log 1 plus r square r equal to 1 to n. Now we have to put the limit n tends to infinity. So limit n tends to infinity, log this will be limit n tends to infinity 1 by n summation r equal to 1 to n log 1 plus r square by n square minus r by n. Now we put r by n equal to x. So r by n equal to x means x will vary from 0 to 1. 1 by n will be dx. Okay. So this is the rule. So the summation changes to integration from 0 say 1 log 1 plus x square minus x dx. Now put here 1 plus x square equal to t, 2x dx will be dt. So you will get this, and now the limits will be x will be 0, then t will be 1, x will be 1, then t will be 2, limits will be 1 say 2. So minus half you will take common, log t dt 1 say 2. So t log t minus t, log integration log t is t log t minus t 1 say 2. That is minus half 2 ln 2 minus 2 minus ln 1 minus 1. Okay, and that is minus half ln 4 minus 1. And what is 1? 1 is ln e. So this is ln 4 by e power minus half and that is equals to ln of an power minus 1 by n square. So and taking anti-log both the sides, you get an power minus 1 by n square limit n tends to infinity equals to e by root 2, and our option number D is correct. So we have solved. Thank you.